Hello, gorgeous girl. Welcome back to the channel. This is Funmibi here again with a new tutorial. In today's video, as you guys can see on the screen, I have these beaded headbands. I'm going to be teaching us how we can also learn to make something like this for ourselves or our loved ones or for our clients. So if you're interested in knowing everything I did to get this awesome results, please make sure you watch this video to the end. Okay, if you're not subscribed to the channel, become a full-blown gorgeous girl by hitting the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you'll be the first to know anytime I post a new video. And please be sure to share this video with your friends and family, people that you think would love content like this, and let's just engage. All right guys, let me stop talking and let's get straight into the meat and the potatoes of today's video. Let's go. Alright guys, so you'll be needing your Clawstones. These are two different styles of Clawstones. I have the teardrop Clawstone and just the big chunky one. I'm also going to be needing my seed beads, of course, and my beading needle, and this is my headband after padding and wrapping. If you're new here and you don't know how this process works, I'm going to link a very useful video on the screen for you. Feel free to check out that video so you know how to wrap your headbands and pad your headband. You also need a matching color of thread, of course, and this is me just threading my beading needle. For the purpose of this work, I use the size 11 beading needle. If you want to know more about beading needles, please let me know, okay, so I can film a video just explaining how you make the right choice when it comes to beading needle. If you want that tutorial, please let me know down in the comments. But yeah, I'm using the size 11 needle for this particular work, and this is me just sewing on my Clawstone to my headband. Okay, with this process, I've talked about Clawstones and how they are usually created and where to pass your needle through. If you are new here, okay, I have a lot of awesome videos. I'm going to link my Funmibi Olawore designs playlist on the screen so you get a more in-depth tutorial. But what I'm doing is I'm basically just passing my beading needle through the holes underneath this Clawstone that I'm sewing onto my headband. And with this process, I can't really talk you through the process. All you need to do is just pay close attention, watch how I'm sewing on, and you want to make sure that you sew your Clawstones very firmly. Okay, you see the way it looks very firm. It should become one with the headband that you're sewing it onto. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to move really quickly, sew a couple more Clawstones at different strategic points on this headband, just so I get the results that I'm going for. Okay, at this point, feel free to freestyle. Okay, add your own touch to it. If you want the Clawstones to be all over the headband, if you want the Clawstones to just be at strategic points, just do you and whatever works for you. Also, when choosing the size of Clawstone, please don't feel pressure to use the exact size of Clawstone that I used for my own project. Feel free to buy a bigger size than this, a smaller size than this, a different style or shape. Please just go off. Okay, like I always say, my tutorial is not the Bible. Okay, I just give you inspiration and allow you to do whatever you please with the inspiration that I provide. All right, so this is just my Clawstone. I'm just showing you guys, and I went ahead to sew a couple more, and this is what I have. You can also decide if you like to glue on the Clawstone, but it's not my style, okay? But if you are about the glue life and you don't mind, feel free to glue it on. But because I want a very neat end result, and I like to give my clients, especially when I'm making stuff for my clients, I want to make sure that it's premium quality I'm offering them, okay? If it was something I'm wearing on myself, maybe I could have just glued it on because I don't care, all right? But if it's something you are rendering as a service, please give your clients quality service. So this is me just picking up my seed beads. Okay, no, actually this is sand bead, okay, and I picked 5, and then I added one size 4 crystal bead and picked 5 more sand beads, and then I just sewed it onto my headband. Like I said, this whole process, talking might not really do it, so please watch. If I'm making any major move, if I'm doing something that requires explanation, I'm going to talk you through. But if I'm not doing anything that requires me talking, I'm just going to stay quiet. This is another call to action. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please thank you guys so much for the love so far, but please don't forget to subscribe if you're yet to subscribe. Share this channel with your friends, like the video. Okay, please like the video. It lets me know that you guys enjoyed watching. Liking the amount of likes I get on a video is the feedback I get, just allowing me know that you guys got value from watching the content that I shared. Okay, so please leave your feedback by hitting the like button, and feel free to drop me questions in the comment section. Okay, I'm always happy to explain and talk more about anything that might be confusing to you. Okay, gorgeous girl. Okay, all right, let me keep quiet now, allow you watch what I'm doing, and I'll be back to talk to us at a different point in this video. All right, friends. So beating this entire headband took me about 1 hour 30 minutes. I couldn't have filmed the entire footage for you guys, so I decided to just move through things really quickly. At this point, it was remaining just a little portion, so that's where I'm showing you guys here. So I'm just going to go ahead and then beat the entire piece, and this is what we have here. Okay, if you have any questions for me, like I said earlier on, please feel free to drop it in the comment section. I'm always happy to share, but this is the end result. I was supposed to make 3 beaded headbands for a group of gorgeous girls, okay, sisters that were supposed to attend the wedding, and they wanted me to make beaded headbands for them, and this is what I came up with for the 3 of them. They loved the headband, and I also attended the wedding that they wore this to, and I was so happy to see them wearing it very beautifully on their gorgeous hair. And yeah guys, if you enjoyed watching this video again, please be sure to hit the like button if you haven't already. Please be sure to subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed. Share this video with a friend, and if you would like me to share any form of tutorial, please feel free to leave me tutorial suggestions in the comment section, and I'll be sure to get to whatever request you made as soon as possible. Thank you guys so much again for clicking and watching this video, and yeah guys, I come to see you in another one. Bye bye.